Hey there, future YouTube stars. Editing your first YouTube video can feel overwhelming. Complicated timelines, confusing buttons, expensive software.
Oh, this is so confusing.
But what if AI could do 50% of the work for you? Today, we're breaking down exactly how beginners can use AI to edit their first YouTube video quickly, affordably, and professionally. By the end of this video, you'll know which AI tool to use and how to edit it step by step. How to save money, how to stay creative. Let's get started. Video editing used to require advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Now, beginner-friendly AI tools like Adobe Premiere Rush, Capwing, Lumen 5 are making editing accessible to everyone. AI can remove silence automatically, add captions, balance audio. It automatically trims silence. Suggest music, auto color correct. It's like a digital assistant. Editing is so easy with this intuitive interface. Do I want full automation or creative control? And what's my budget? Do I want full automation? Do I want creative control? What's my monthly budget? Am I editing long videos or shorts? Start simple, upgrade later. Let's walk through a beginner workflow using InVideo. First, import your clips. Auto captions appear instantly, then just drag and drop. Let's start editing. First, import your footage. Then, use auto silence removal and generate captions. Step 4, auto color correction. Step 5, add background music. Step 6, insert branding. AI handles technical tasks. You focus on storytelling. AI editing tools typically cost far less than traditional software. You'll see free plans with watermarks, monthly subscriptions, one-time lifetime purchases. To maximize ROI, use free trials and batch edit content. Learn keyboard shortcuts and reuse templates. This is a quick demo of auto-generated captions. Efficiency leads to growth. AI is a tool, not your identity. Your audience connects with your voice, your humor, your personality, your opinions. Use AI for speed. Use creativity for connection. At balance builds long-term subscribers. Today, you learn how AI is transforming editing, which tools to use, a beginner-friendly workflow, how to save money, how to stay creative. Now it's your turn. Edit your first video, upload it, improve with every upload. Hit like, subscribe, comment which AI tool you're trying first. Your journey starts now. From me, DJ Kadesa, and the Grow Smarter Media team, it's goodbye until next time.